Okay, so one thing you need to know about anything that has to do with the digital space is that there will always be an update every time. Okay, new updates will always roll in. Things can change. All right, all of them, whether YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, whatever platform you are going to use, you have to be looking for updates. Like, this was how this thing was before, but it changes. Now I'm doing this video because prior to this time, with this training, let me show you the training. This training, how to create your link in bio. All right, so in this training, the link was only one. You could only put one link on your Instagram, either your WhatsApp or your Facebook, but now it has changed. So let's go to our Instagram. This is our Instagram. Okay, now how do you add your link? You come to your profile and then you click on edit profile. Okay, when you click on that, it opens you to where you can edit your profile. If you want to change your bio, if you want to change your username and all. Okay, now but what we are this video is for links, so here is where you will see the links. Here. Okay, and prior to this time, it's only one link you could put. Once it's only one, either you are putting your WhatsApp link or you are putting, but now you can put more. I think it's up to like 5 or 6 or even more that you can put. So you can see, you just click on this plus sign. If you have not added any link before, you see this plus sign there, just click on it. Go and copy the link of whatever platform you want to add. So if you want to add YouTube, you go and copy the link and come and paste here. Want to add WhatsApp, okay, you do that. If you want to add so this is how it will tell you. You go and copy that link and put here. You put it here, then you put a name there of what the link is about. Okay, now I've done my own and I don't want to edit it. Which other link can I put in here now? Okay, what I have WhatsApp. See, if you click on it, you see that my phone number is there. So they didn't even put it as a link. Once you click it, you put your phone number there. Okay, so it's activated like this. This actually is showing you that you can now add multiple of links on your Instagram page. If you don't understand, kindly ask questions.